Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This was day 9 of the Practice What I Preach series. So today was a push workout. To be honest, today and recently I haven't really been motivated or driven to get anything done, but I know I need to get some sort of volume in just so I can at a minimum maintain what strength I have left and what muscle mass I have left. It is ideally 2 weeks until the gym opens up again. So in this workout, I'm focusing on getting relative strength back before I can go back to the gym and actually perform what I need to get done. So I started this workout with some overhead press. I started off relatively light and worked up to a heavy set. I do feel like my cleaning action, so actually bringing the dumbbells up to my shoulder height, isn't ideal, so I need to work on that. But otherwise, pressing felt pretty good. After that, I did some lateral raises, and just to clarify, in the last workout I didn't do lateral raises, I did some upright rows, so that was my bad. And yeah, finished off with some rear delts and some shrugs just to round out the shoulders and just to get most probably the best way to say it is I'm just doing stuff that makes me feel good and comfortable and happy with myself at the moment. And that's a big thing with exercise. So when you do exercises, you should do something you enjoy. It shouldn't feel like a chore, because if it does feel like a chore, then you're not going to keep doing it, and then you just fall off the wagon and go back to being unfit and not strong and in pain and all that kind of stuff. So when you find exercises, find something that you enjoy doing. For me, I love lifting weights, but at this point in time, I would prefer a barbell because I'm kind of over dumbbells at the moment. Yeah, so that's just me being vain and all that kind of stuff. So I did want to talk about a few concepts today while we do have time together. So what I was going to mention was shoulder balance. So I think I've previously mentioned this, and I do tell people all the time. Your shoulder and your body is a complex system, and it requires balance. So back in the day, we were monkey swinging from trees. We'd be pretty much doing pull-ups all the time. So we're not really used to pushing anteriorly, so in front of you, and we're not used to being seated at a desk all day. So if I had to prioritize certain movements, I would always prioritize rowing movements and pull down movements for just your regular Joe, just to balance out your shoulders and to prevent any kind of instability and kind of anterior issues with your shoulder. So please add on some sort of rowing action into your day, just so you don't get shoulder pain later down the track. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and thank you for spending a bit of time with me. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, and yeah, take care.